Alright, so coming to you live right now, actually leaving from the Cincinnati Airport, and I'm about to show you how this looks. Definitely get that TSA pre-check if you can. It for sure helps you when you're trying to move through your boarding process on an airline. What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm doing pretty good. What you need? Just a boarding pass? Oh, just my ID? Perfect. Perfect. You gotta know what they're looking for. Sometimes they're looking for the boarding pass and the ID. Sometimes they're just looking for your ID. Scan complete.
You're all set, man.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We're back on. Gotta put our electronics. I'm gonna have to close this video out for this purpose of this right here so I can put my stuff through the scanner. All right, so now I collected all of my items. I'm just leaving the TSA portion, heading on down to the actual train to get on the airplane. Ooh, escalator.
That's awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Is that for a YouTube video or something?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Trying to find something to make some edits with.
Yeah.
All right, so you can see it only really took me about 5 to 7 minutes to make it through. Not too much time at all. Not too much time at all today. Pretty quick, so can't complain. All right, so now we're gonna try to make it over here to the train, the trolley. Or I forget, the tram, that's what it's called, the tram, to get us over to our gate. I think we're going to the B gate. I gotta check my information again, but I might check it out on the board. If you don't know, all the flights are listed up on the board, so if you don't know your flight and know your flight number, you can always go to this board and check it out. All right, so we're gonna be going to B22. So I need to go ahead and get on the tram and make my way over to B22. All right, so I'm boarding now on the B train. Shouldn't take no time to make it over to the next side. This is when you think about your life and what type of money you spend always. So damn, I gotta pay to get out of the parking lot at the next location. This is where all those thoughts kind of run through my head. But you know, another day at the office for me. We keep it going. As a traveler, this is one of the things. But see, I got my big backpack on today. Pillow.
The next stop is Comfort Air Canada, Alaska, Allegiant.
Make sure you always hearing where you're going. You don't want to miss a flight because you're not headed in the right direction when you're supposed to be going to the concourse or what gate that you're supposed to be going to. This is a common mistake with rookie flyers. So this is concourse A. I don't need to get off at this one. So just because you see everybody get off, that's not saying you have to get off. So now I've made it to my correct concourse and I'm going to be heading to my gate. You like to make sure that you're actually heading in the right direction. So it says B22. I see an arrow that's saying B22 through 28. So that's the way that I am going to be able to get on this flight. All right, I made it to the gate. Now that I'm at the gate, confirm it. Confirm it's going to where you actually need to go. See it right there. Now, if you fly as a standby passenger like me, this is when you check yourself in, and that's how you do it. All right, this has been a video of how you make it through the airport, get to the airport on time, and the Cincinnati Airport CVG. Trying to book this airport. If you like this type of content, like, subscribe. See you later.